A big hello and warm welcome to all of you who are listening to me. Thank you so much for joining me. A quick recap from my previous discourse. We agreed to three primary things in the course of this discussion. First, we will not denounce ourselves or our existence in any way. Second, words have a definite meaning, so we will stick to the literal meaning of the words used. As an example, don't substitute God for creator. Or when I say happiness, don't substitute it with joy or pleasure or ecstasy or euphoria. They all have their own meanings. Let's not mix up these things. And thirdly, we will stick to the law of identity, which simply says A is A. An apple is an apple, no matter what you think or believe it is. If you slip on this point, then everything will start looking mystic and muddy. We are here for seeking clarity, not for increasing the confusions. Okay? Yeah, now another point before we go ahead. What I am reading is my diary. Well, it's not a handwritten one in paper form, but it's a Word document. So you see, the things written are things which I have written to myself. So while writing, whenever I wrote, you do something or you follow something, it was actually me telling myself to do or follow that something. That's why I said earlier as well that this is not my classroom. I am learning too. And I am trying to give myself a rock solid foundation so that I don't get carried away with my thoughts. I have thoughts, you see. The thoughts shouldn't have me. Okay, I mentioned in passing earlier that I am doing this for getting to the roots of existence. Now, why bother with such things? Just go on living as you have been living till now. Take life as it comes, easy and comfortable, and die when the time comes. What's there to think so much about? Well, to a large extent, I have done exactly this till something happened and made me wonder. I'll tell you what it was. What follows is a brief description of a flash of about 15 seconds which I experienced. The moments came and they went without warning. In those 15 seconds or so, I experienced euphoria like never before. Just for the sake of literal purpose, the dictionary describes euphoria as a feeling of intense excitement, happiness, and well-being. Don't bother checking it out. I have done that before I used the word. So I was just zapped by what was happening. I had full consciousness. I was aware of the surroundings, my family, my circumstances, my worries, everything. I was able to acknowledge everything. But I was feeling so supreme, so ultimate, that these things just did not matter. It was as if I had an invisible shield around me. Everything else was there and it was existing in its own harmony. But it was outside my shield. Inside the shield, it was only me, in a state of utter bliss. I just stayed there, spellbound, devouring every moment as it passed. And then I came out of that state as suddenly as I entered it. After that, I tried hard to get back to that state. I struggled desperately to get it back, but no. Deep inside, I knew it had already escaped. So now you see, the euphoria I experienced was self-induced. There was no external trigger to it. Usually, euphoria is a result of some experience or some emotion, like, say, romantic love, or even the human sex response cycle, or on the bad side, certain drugs or alcohol. These things trigger the euphoria, and when the trigger is gone, you are left miserable. If you have the capacity, you can acquire those triggers again, only to lose them again. Eventually, it leads to addiction. But you see, in my case, the trigger was internal to me. And however desperately I wanted it back, I couldn't. Because in the first place, I didn't know what the trigger was. Now, there started this whole journey of reading, digesting, discarding, and partially accepting a few theories. You see, I want bliss, and that too not just a long lasting one, but an eternal, permanent one. To add to the difficulty of this, I want it to be independent of external factors, meaning nothing external to me should give it to me and nothing external should take it away. So, all the search is now inside me. As I go deeper and deeper inside myself, what will I eventually find? I'll find the root of my existence, isn't it? And when you do get there, do you think anything that bothers you now will even matter? Even as I am writing this, I feel like I have already gone a billion miles away from my present reality. Before I leave, let me tell you a fact. Those 15 seconds of euphoria, when I first started experiencing them, they used to come, say, once in 2 months. Today I get those flashes 2 times a week. How? No mumbo jumbo and no magic. Just the acknowledgement that I don't know many things today. And I have the curiosity to know. I guess that's all for today. Thank you for listening. See you soon. Leave your comments, like my discourse, as I say. Subscribe to my channel. Bye and have a great time ahead. Thank you very much for joining.